I'm looking for the people who are looking for me. Sell yourself. Most people don't feel comfortable with that. Most people don't share what they stand for. They don't show their work ethic. And because of that, you end up with everybody and their mother under the moon, right? If you think about it, I'm not a cold caller. I'm not a script person. I'm not a Tom Ferry person. And I'm proud of that. And I'm okay with that. And the people who are, they are not my people. That doesn't mean we can't partner. We can absolutely partner, but I can't possibly help you with something that I don't know. So if you want to become the best cold calling person on the face of the earth, then don't join my downline. That means you are not my people. And by sharing my knowledge and by sharing who I am, my work ethic and what I stand for, the people who end up joining me know exactly what I stand for. I stand for brand building. I stand for leveraging. I stand for building multiple companies. I stand for passive income. I stand for being able to be a mom working part-time. Like I work 3 days a week, guys. Now, don't get me wrong, I work like a mad woman in those 3 days, but the idea is that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can have it free for the rest of my life. Those are my people, the people who are going to want to have financial freedom. They're going to want to have location freedom, and they're going to want to have time freedom. Those are my people. The people who want to have a local mega icon team with 85 agents and an ISC department and buy Zillow leads for $46,000 a month, they are not my people, and I'm okay with that. They need to join with people that they love, that they have things in common, right? So I'm looking for the people who are looking for me. That should be the foundation of your agent attraction. Everybody is gettable. Most people are like, oh, that person's never going to join. They're never going to join. Of course they will. Guess what's going to happen? Guess what I said? I was one of those people of like, I would never, oh my gosh, I would never go to that brokerage, right? And look where I'm at. Everybody is gettable. You just need to find a pebble in their shoe, or you just have to wait it out. There will come that time where that broker is going to piss him off so bad that you are going to be the first one they will call. Don't forget it. Everybody's gettable.